Gojae, South Korea. As the sun rises, nearly 30,000 workers prepare to start their day at one of the biggest shipyards in the world. For many of them, this is special. They're creating history in a world-first project that will change the energy industry.
It's pretty courageous what we do here, but that's how you push the boundary. If we fail, which we will not, yes, then, your reputation is at stake.
Shell calls this the Prelude project, a complicated blend of technology and engineering. It's being built and designed in no fewer than 10 countries. Before a single piece of steel was cut here in Gojae, there was already over 4.5 million hours spent in development. In Paris, engineer James Nefresher is just one of hundreds working to make the plans a reality.
The really cool thing about what we're doing is designing something that we've never built before and putting a cryogenic liquefaction plant in the middle of the ocean.
It's an immense challenge, but Prelude is set to be a game changer. Put simply, it will be the largest structure ever sent to sea. So big, it will contain enough steel to build the equivalent of 35 Eiffel Towers.
All these blocks will become giga blocks.
Think of it as Lego. Lots of these blocks being put together. It's absolutely huge.
Every day there's so many more hull blocks everywhere. It's magnificent.
The sheer scale and ingenuity of this structure is dwarfed only by its uniqueness. In a revolutionary approach, instead of piping natural gas to land, Shell will be taking an entire gas plant to sea. Frank Groen and Chris McDermott are just two of the 150 staff that will live and work on board the facility during normal operations.
They're telling us it's going to be like a motel, but yeah, it's yet to see.
But this will be no holiday. Prelude's destination, 200 kilometres off the northwest coast of Australia, is right in the middle of Cyclone Alley.
This thing's built for cyclonic conditions, so it'll be fine, but it's a big facility. It's going to be quite interesting to be out there with a Cat 5 cyclone going over the top.
So engineers have designed an anchoring system on a scale that has never been attempted before. Gas from the field enters the vessel through the turret, which is held in place by 4 groups of mooring lines. The facility can then rotate around the turret, responding to the ocean's movements, no matter what the conditions.
During a cyclone with more than 20-metre sea height, the vessel remains on station and will remain with the main complement of personnel on board. So there's a lot riding on us to get it right.
We just cannot afford any incident when we are offshore. It's too far away, it has too big consequences. So what leaves here needs to be of top quality, and otherwise it will not leave here.
The obstacles are substantial, but so are the rewards. Each year, Prelude will produce enough liquid natural gas to meet the needs of a city the size of Hong Kong. And the prize of doing this from places never before thought viable is seen as crucial to the world's energy future.
I'm really excited. It is a huge responsibility, I must say, but it's a great feeling to be part of this.